Hi, hello mga ateng. So, nagaya nga dito si Habi kumain. I-treat niya sana ako ng pizza na na square, na mahaba. Kasi hindi available ngayon. Every weekends lang daw. So, ito na lang. Tapos, naglakad-lakad din kami ni Habi. Order ka? No. This is the leftover. So after eating, where we will go? So we will go home.
After eating, we will go home because I know you are so full and you want to lay down.
But really, I try to finish that pizza, one, but I cannot really. I don't know why.
But we have pizza here, right?
Yeah.
We have pizza. I know many else.
Yeah, I know. Which is the best pizza, you eat?
I think Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is more better, but that's authentic one. If you say like the normal private here, other
You don't?
local restaurants.
No, you don't like the shakies?
City Sialkot.
Yeah. It's also nice.
Sialkot, right?
Yeah.
Desi Sialkot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was very nice also because they put so many cheese.
I agree. So, uuwi na po kami. Kumain po kami ng pizza. Malapit lang dito sa may amin. Sabi ko kay Habi, maglakad-lakad kami. So, walking kami dito. Tingnan niyo mga ateng, oh. Sarap umupo doon. Kita niyo ba yan? Sarap umupo. Napakalamig ng damo. Actually, dito pwede kang umupo dito. Or humiga. Yung mga tao dito nakaupo sa park. Yan, sa green grass. Di ba, Habi, right?
Yeah, right.
Ayan.
Nice park actually.
Yeah. Actually, yesterday we are in other park, right? With swing, with slide, for the children. Yan, nakita niyo po yan. Medyo may konting dumi kasi gawa ng dahon. Pero overall po, pwedeng umupo dito yung mga tao. Pwedeng humiga. Pwedeng mashid. So, ito po mga tao dito naglalakad lang. Ito yung bus stop. Malapit lang sa amin.